Well, hi everybody. Ted Harris of Harris Puppets out there. We're out here in the snow. We're just braving out the snow and all that. It is snowy like what a minute, really all this snow. Let's check out and see what's happening out here. Wow, look at that. It's almost snowy out here. Honestly, it's snowing. It's pitch way outside. We will have to deal with this. Even though driving difficult, it's like when you're in fairyland. Really like that. Can't you believe that? Well, we'll keep doing out here. Stay tuned for further bulletins. Well, we're searching every lead out there. All the things out the snow. About bringing out the snow. You had to believe this. It is so frigid out there. You won't believe it. Let's check out some more. Wow, it's snowing. Wow, it's pitch way outside. You believe it's all that? It's hurting my face. With this, well, it's driving difficult. We had to do with the snow. Especially have to do with the snow. Only a fool be out here in snow like this. Ugh. Wow. Wouldn't you believe it? It's so frigid out there. You won't believe it. Well, we'll keep investigating as time goes on. Stay tuned for further bulletins. Well, we search every single lead out here. We don't have to deal with the snow. So we don't do this. Let's suffer the snow. Anyway, it's really cold out there. And I can't take it anymore. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside, get a nice big cup of hot chocolate. Hey, this is Ted Harris. Returning your germ. Regular programming.